Welcome students with some other English works. We are going to do the work in the English worksheet. You already have a worksheet pack in your books and copies. So take out the worksheet and open page number that says trace and write sounds M, N and R. And there is also a date written there, that is 15/4 and 21. So if you have already opened the worksheet, we are going to revise the sounds that we have already done in the class. Before we are going to trace and write these sounds, we have to first revise these sounds, that what are these sounds. So first letter and the first sound is, this is the letter R, and R sounds like R, R sounds like R, R sounds like R. Students, every time you are going to repeat after me. R sounds like R. Okay, now move to the next sound, that is letter N, and letter N sounds like N. Which sound is this? N. Yes, repeat after me. Which sound is this? N. Okay, move to our next sound, that is letter M, and M sounds like M sounds like M sounds like Repeat after me. M sounds like Okay, after repeating and after revising these sounds, take a pencil in your hand and start writing. First, we have to do the tracing the sound R. R is down and down, go up and turn a little. This is sound R. This is sound R. Every time you are going to write the sound or either to trace, you are going to say it with the formation. Every time write it with the formation. R is down and down, go up and turn a little. Okay, now we have already done the tracing. It's time to write it individually by yourself. Put the pencil on the dot. There is already a dot given in the worksheet. Put the pencil on the dot and start writing sound R. R is down and down, go up and turn a little. This is sound R. This is sound R. Once again we are going to write sound R. R is down and down, go up, turn a little. R. Okay, once again we have to write R is down and down, go up and turn a little. This is sound R. So you have learned this is sound R. After writing the sound R, we are going to write the sound N. First we are going to trace the N, and then later on we are going to write the sounds N. So the students take the pencil in your hand once again and start tracing sound N. N is down and down, go up and a bumpy. This is sound N. This is sound N. Okay, once again. N is down and down, go up and a bumpy. This is sound N. After tracing the sound N, keep the pencil on the dot and start writing by yourself. N is down and down, go up and a bumpy. This is sound N. This is sound N. Once again write it down. Sound N. N is down and down, go up and a bumpy. This sound is N. Okay, once again we are going to write sound by ourselves, that is sound N. N is down and down, go up and a bumpy. This is sound N. So the students, we have already learned our two sounds, that are R and N. After R and N, there is a sound M. Which sound is this? Yes, this is M. This is M. And you have already also learned that how to write M. So once again we are going to trace the sound M, and later on we are going to do it by ourselves. First we are going to trace the sound M. M is down, go up, bumpy and a bumpy. This is sound This is sound Again we are going to trace the sound Is down, go up, bumpy and bumpy. This is sound this is sound So after tracing the sound it's time to do it by yourself. Put the pencil on the dot and start writing sound is down, go up, bumpy and a bumpy. This is sound this is sound Once again we are going to write sound is down and down, go up, bumpy and a bumpy. This is sound this is sound Once again we are going to write sound is down and down, go up, bumpy and a bumpy. Yes, in this way you are going to write sound After writing these sounds, check it by your parents and see have you written the correctly or not, and revise these sounds as well. This is sound this is sound Which sound is this? And the next sound is This sound is After writing there is another sound that is So students, after writing this, make sure that you have thoroughly learned these sounds also. So in the next class, let's see what we are having in the next class. Okay, till then, take care.